Let's be honest. In 2026, there is no excuse for being tethered to a wall while you clean. We've seen some massive leaps in suction tech and battery life this year, with AI sensors and self emptying docks now becoming the gold standard. But with so many new releases from Dyson, Shark, and Samsung, which one actually deserves a spot in your utility closet? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners of 2026 to see which ones dominate on carpet, hardwood, and pet hair. I've included links to all the products mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest pricing. Let's get into it. 5. LEVOIT Anti-Tangle Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Upgrade your cleaning routine with a vacuum designed to keep up with your life, not slow you down. Whether you're tackling stubborn pet hair or daily kitchen crumbs, our tangle-resistant roller ensures you spend more time cleaning and less time picking hair out of the brush. This lightweight powerhouse offers ultimate versatility, transitioning seamlessly between floor types and hard-to-reach corners with the included 2-in-1 crevice and pet tools. Designed with your health and convenience in mind, the 5-stage filtration system traps dander and allergens, while the one-click easy empty bin and washable filters make maintenance a breeze. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, you can breeze through the whole house in one go, proving that high-performance cleaning doesn't have to be a heavy lift. On 4, Eureka NEU 10 AE5. Whether you're tackling deep pile carpets or sleek hardwoods, the Eureka NEU 10 AE5 is the versatile powerhouse your home deserves. This top-rated upright vacuum combines powerful all-floor suction with a wide 10.5-inch cleaning path to slash your chore time in half. Despite its professional-grade performance, it's remarkably lightweight at just 7.7 pounds, making it easy to carry from room to room or tuck away in tight storage spaces. Designed with convenience in mind, the NEU 10 AE5 features a quick-release handle and onboard tools, including a crevice tool and dusting brush, so you can transition from floors to upholstery or high ceilings in seconds. Plus, the washable, eco-friendly filter means no recurring costs and a cleaner planet. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair and hidden dust, and hello to a smarter, more efficient way to clean. 3. Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo. Experience the perfect blend of heavy-duty performance and lightweight convenience with this Bissell compact vacuum. Weighing in at less than 10 pounds, this machine delivers the suction power of a full-size upright in a frame designed specifically for the nimble needs of apartments and dorms. It's a versatile powerhouse featuring scatter-free technology for hard floors and deep cleaning suction for carpets, ensuring a thorough clean on every surface. Transitioning between tasks is seamless thanks to the integrated quick-release extension wand, allowing you to reach high corners, curtains, and upholstery with ease. Maintenance is just as effortless with the easy empty dirt tank. A single button press disposes of debris so you can get back to what matters. Best of all, your purchase does more than just clean your home. It helps save others. Every Bissell purchase proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to find forever homes for homeless pets. 2. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. Experience the absolute peak of cleaning engineering with the Gen 5 Outsize, Dyson's most powerful cordless vacuum yet. Engineered with over 115% more power and an impressive 70-minute runtime, this machine is designed for deep, continuous cleaning without interruption. Its intelligent sensor technology doesn't just adapt suction power to different floor types, it actually sees the debris you can't, using improved illumination to reveal 2x more invisible dust on hard floors. As you clean, the real-time LCD screen provides scientific proof of a deep clean by displaying the volume of particles removed, ensuring you know exactly when to move to the next area. Whole machine HEPA filtration goes beyond standard cleaning by trapping 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, effectively capturing viruses and expelling cleaner air into your home. Versatile engineering seamlessly converts to a handheld with a built-in crevice tool, making the transition from floors to furniture instantaneous. Specialized cleaner heads includes the fluffy optic for hard floor precision and the digital motor bar, which intelligently detangles hair as you power through carpets. Smart maintenance. The LCD screen eliminates guesswork by showing remaining runtime to the second and providing instant maintenance alerts. 1. Shark NV360. Experience a whole new level of clean with the Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe, the ultimate powerhouse designed to dominate every inch of your home. Whether you're pulling deep-seated dirt from thick carpets or switching to the brush roll shutoff for a gentle touch on bare floors, its unrelenting suction power gets the job done right. But it doesn't stop at the floor. With lift-away functionality, the detachable pod gives you the freedom to reach under furniture or take your cleaning vertical on stairs and upholstery. For pet owners, the included upholstery tool makes stubborn fur a thing of the past, while the anti-allergen complete seal and HEPA filter ensure that once dust and allergens go in, they stay in. Finished with swivel steering for effortless navigation and a large capacity dust cup, this vacuum turns a chore into a victory lap. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners for 2026. From the high-tech precision of the latest Dyson to the self-emptying convenience of the Shark Power Detect, it's clear that cordless cleaning has never been more powerful or efficient. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair or just need a lightweight tool for quick daily pickups, there's a vacuum on this list that will fit perfectly into your home. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, I've made it easy for you. All the product links and the best current prices are listed in the description below. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments if you're Team Dyson, Team Shark, or if there's another brand you swear by. Found this helpful? Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our latest tech and home gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.